Forgotten during last weekend's island-wide lockdown, but not again. All efforts were made to ensure the homeless in Mandeville, Manchester were given adequate meals during this weekend's lockdown. Cody and Barrett has the report.
Homeless people on the streets of Mandeville, Manchester were relieved to see at least one charity organization out during lockdown to provide them with meals on Sunday. CEO of Friends in Need, Yvonne Townsend, said she also fed them last weekend, breaking the curfew to do so.
Drove through. I didn't have any permission, but by faith I said, I'm going out because I'm going to do God's work. So when I came, I saw about 50 of them in one place, which has never happened. One of them said, "We were praying for you to come." And that broke my heart because I cried, but the tears were for joy and sorrow, because if I couldn't come, that was a sorrow. And since I came, then that was a joy.
But this week, she sought and obtained formal permission from the Manchester Municipal Corporation to be on the streets to tend to the homeless. Entirely grateful to Ms. Townsend, the homeless are asking the public to be more mindful of their needs at this time.
Well, we thank this lady and Ms. Showers, and we thank the general public and who support her. Yeah, because she alone member, yeah? So we thank her and thank who member she is.
This morning we're thankful when we see Miss Townsend come out and she deliver some food for the homeless, and we're thankful for her.
Ms. Townsend is inviting those who have to give to those who are less fortunate.
We are available at 10 Agrees Avenue in Mandeville. Anybody who wish to bring anything or want to volunteer, they can call us, contact us at 421-3453. That's 421-3453, 10 Agrees Avenue. We're available for anything that you have. It can be clothing, food, more bun and cheese because we're still in the Easter season. Anything at all, they would be grateful, and I would be highly appreciative of it.
The organization will continue with the feeding program on Monday. Cody and Barrett, TVJ News.